Hey everyone, today we're going to build a humidity and temperature sensor circuit. The materials you're going to need are a breadboard, an Arduino Uno, 3 jumper wires, and a 3-pin DHT11 sensor. Now that you have all the needed materials, let's move on to the next step, which is building the circuit for our humidity and temperature sensor. Connect the 3-pin DHT11 sensor to any side of the breadboard. Then, use one of the jumper wires to connect the S pin of the DHT11 sensor to pin 7 or any other digital input-output pin on the Arduino Uno. Use another jumper wire to connect the DHT11 positive pin to 5V pin on the Arduino Uno. And then use the final jumper wire to connect the DHT11 sensor to the ground pin, which is the GND pin on the Arduino Uno. We're going to use an external library for the DHT11 sensor, and to install it, this is a site that you go to. And then on this right side, click on download zip. After downloading the zip file, you can first double click the file to unzip it, and then copy the unzipped file. And then after copying the unzipped file, paste it into the Arduino libraries folder. Now that we've connected all the components of our circuit and installed the DHT11 library, let's write the code to get it working. So first, open the Arduino IDE and create a new sketch. Define the input pin for your sensor. If you connected the sensor to another digital input or output pin, which is not 7, make sure to put the number of the pin you used instead of 7. That is, on line 2, change the number from 7 to the one you used. In the setup function, write the line serial begin to start serial communication. This line helps the Arduino to send out commands through the USB connection. Then in the loop function, add a line to read incoming data from the sensor. Add print statements depending on how you want your data to be displayed to the serial monitor. Notice that on line 20, that prints temperature data. This is possible because the DHT11 sensor not only senses humidity but also senses temperature. To make sure that your code works properly, run and compile it to check. If there are any errors identified, fix them step by step. Now, if you haven't done so already, connect the Arduino board or microcontroller to your computer using a USB cable and upload your code to the microcontroller by clicking the upload button. To test the humidity and temperature readings of the sensor, open the serial monitor from the Arduino IDE. If you encounter any errors, double check whether your Arduino Uno is connected well to the computer, and also check whether you've selected the right port here. If you have any errors in the syntax, also check for colons and other syntax errors that might happen. To test the humidity and temperature readings of the sensor, open the serial monitor from the Arduino IDE. The serial monitor should appear next to the output. Now you can see the outputs on the serial monitor of the humidity and temperature in the serial monitor. Now move to different areas to see how the temperature and humidity are changing. Is there a difference in the readings displayed on the serial monitor? Here's a challenge for you. Now that you have your own working humidity and temperature sensor, can you think of ways in which you can update the circuit or code to make another project that depends on those sensors' readings?